Friends, this is HC Verma and I am here to announce my new course, next course, and the course will be on classical mechanics, and the course will be conducted at the website bsc.hcverma.in, bsc.hcverma.in. The website is developed by IIT Kanpur Group under MOOKIT, MOOKIT platform, and it is run under Center for Continuing Education, IIT Kanpur. They provide all the facilities and management and give certificates to the successful participants. I had given several courses at PSc level at this platform, some in Hindi, some in English, and this particular course on classical mechanics will be in English. The course will start 26th of January 2021, and roughly the duration will be about 8 weeks, 2 months, and the course will be in the Newtonian framework of mechanics, and we will be talking about dynamics of a single particle, a group of particles, and a rigid body. And in the course we will be developing notions of several parameters, the linear momentum, the angular momentum, the kinetic energy, the potential energy, and various conservation laws. I will be talking a little bit about non-inertial frames, especially rotating frames. Our Earth presents a very natural non-inertial frame, rotating frame. So the kind of to-do forces we need in rotating frames, little bit of that I will be talking. Central force motion I will be talking. Our planetary motion is a central force motion, very natural motion that we know, and many other forces. We will be talking of collisions of bodies in center of mass frame and all those things. But the main focus will be on rigid body dynamics. So at school level we had been studying all these things, the rotation of a rigid body, but basically that was confined to a simple case of rotation about a fixed axis of rotation, and there also we were more concerned about parameters which are along the axis of rotation. So we took components of angular momentum and torque and everything in that direction and developed relations like L is equal to I omega or K is equal to half I omega square and so on. But here we will be talking in more general terms, and moment of inertia tensor, 9 components of moment of inertia, all those things will be involved. So the registrations are open. You visit this bsc.hcverma.in, read the description in more detail which is given there, and enroll there and enjoy the discussions and physics with me. Thank you.